interesting story that is about a village with less garbage. ऐसा विलेज जहां पे कचरा बहुत कम था. So it's a very interesting story about Nanu who studies in class 6th. So he likes making paper planes. नानू को पेपर प्लेन्स बनाना बहुत पसंद था. So his mother get little annoyed when he tears page from his notebook. उसकी मम्मा को बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता था जो वो बिना बात के कॉपी के पेजेस फाड़ता था. So one day, Nanu and his mother went to his aunt's village. So Nanu and उसके mother ने plan बनाया कि let's go to the village. It was his aunt's village. So when Nanu reached there, he got amazed. उसको इतनी हैरानी हुई that his cousin Shyam had made variety of things. That Shyam, he was so talented, his cousin Shyam, that उसने बहुत सारी चीजें बनाई थी. And those things were files from old charts, greeting cards decorated with flowers made from pencil shavings, mats from old clothes, baskets from used old polythene bags. See, this is how talented Shyam was. कि जो जितने waste material थे घर के उस घर में उनके village में, he made these things from that old and unused stuffs. पुराने चार्ट से फाइल बनाना, ग्रीटिंग कार्ड बनाना, उसको डेकोरेट करना with the flowers that is come from the after shaving the pencil, yeah, and also mats from old clothes. Mat बनाया पुराने कपड़ों से, and old polythene bags से क्या बनाया? Baskets. See, this is how he was using the materials that are kept in his home. So Nanu likes all of it. नानू को सब बहुत पसंद आया. So his cousin also made a diary from invitation cards. So the kind of invitation card that comes at their home, नानू ने उस invitation card से बहुत ही सुंदर डायरी भी बनाई. So one morning, Nanu was looking for his grandmother. Nanu wondered where his grandmother was. So when he went to his grandmother, she was applying a thick paste on a basket. So she had taken a basket और उसके ऊपर वो thick paste apply कर रहे थे. So on asking about the paste, she replied, it was pepper mash. जब नानू asked from his grandmother कि grandmother ये क्या है, आप ये क्या लगा रहे हो? So his grandmother replied, it is called as pepper mash. And this is a paste made up of clay and paper mixed with some rice husks. Somewhat like this. Here you see that here is one basket and इसके ऊपर आप देख रहे हैं कि पेपर लगा के and this paste that has been made of clay paper mixed with the rice husk वो लगाया जाता है on the basket so that to give basket a strong framework कि basket थोड़ा और strong बन जाए. Right? Now she was putting the thick paste on basket to make it stronger बनाने के लिए ताकि वो long lasting हो usage basket का, वो जल्दी टूटे ना. But Nanu was only interested in tearing paper to make paper planes. Even her grandmother asked कि मैं आपको सिखाऊं ये कि कैसे बनाते हैं. But Nanu said no, I am only interested in making paper planes. मुझे पेपर ही प्लेन बनाना ज्यादा पसंद है. So I'll be just tearing the paper and make paper planes out of it. Yeah? But Shyam collected all the pieces of paper that Nanu used and wondered what can be done. But Shyam was seeing all of this that Nanu is wasting a lot of paper for making paper planes. So Shyam was wondering कि इतना जो कचरा हो गया है, इतने papers जो पड़े हैं, इसका क्या किया जाए? What can be done with these papers that Nanu has thrown? So in few days it was Nanu's birthday. Nanu का birthday आने वाला था कुछ दिन में. So Shyam did what? He invited Nanu's friends. नानू के सभी फ्रेंड्स को इनवाइट कर लिया कि okay, it is his birthday, let's enjoy together. So Nanu took out some money from his mud pot and bought some paper hats for his friends. नानू ने क्या किया? जो mud pot में अपने पैसे कलेक्ट किए हुए थे, he took all the money and went to the market to buy paper hats for birthday. Hats लगाते हैं ना birthday पे, so he went to buy that. Also he bought biscuits and toffees which was very difficult to carry in a paper bag as he did not take cloth bag. So नानू को बहुत डिफिकल्टी हो रही थी कि जो बिस्किट्स और टॉफीज खरीदी हैं वो पेपर बैग में तो आ नहीं रही थी. So somehow he managed to carry all those bags to his home क्योंकि श्याम ने बोला था. His cousin suggested that take cloth bag so that all the stuffs can be carried in it. But Nanu did not listen. Nanu said no, I am going to take the paper bag only. So see how much he is struggling to carry these biscuits and toffees to home. So somehow he reached home carrying all these things. And Nanu's friends enjoyed the feast on his birthday and played many games. नानू के फ्रेंड्स को बहुत मजा आया कि इतना अच्छा अच्छा खाना मिला एंड दे प्लेड मेनी गेम्स, सो दे वर ऑल एंजॉयिंग हिज बर्थडे. Nanu's friends wore shiny paper hats and beautiful papier mache masks for Nanu's friends. So क्या किया उन्होंने, सुंदर सुंदर शाइनी हैट्स पहनी एंड ब्यूटीफुल पेपियर मास्क, बिकॉज पेपियर मास्क से बहुत कुछ बनाते थे विलेज में. सो पेपियर मैश के मास्क पहने विच हिज ग्रैंडमदर had made. Also, Shyam has special present for Nanu. Now it was time to give present to Nanu. So Shyam has planned and made very beautiful thing. So a photo frame and greeting card made from piece of paper Nanu had thrown away. So Shyam surprised Nanu by giving him photo frame and greeting card that was made from the paper that Nanu had thrown for after making the paper planes. So Nanu returned home after holidays after taking all the presents and after living in village for some time. So he thought how different his town was from Shyam's village. उसने सोचा कि हमारा टाउन और श्याम का विलेज कितना अलग अलग है. वो विलेज क्या है, वो विलेज इट वॉज वेरी नीट एंड क्लीन एंड देयर वाज नो रैग पिकर्स. वो विलेज कितना साफ सुथरा था एंड देयर वर नो रैग पिकर्स. कोई कचरा उठाने के लिए भी, जैसे हम वी सी इन टाउन्स देयर आर मेनी रैग पिकर्स जो कचरा कलेक्ट करते हैं, या दोज हु कलेक्ट गार्बेजेस. सो वी कैन फाइंड देम इन टाउन्स ओनली, बट विलेजेस में ऐसा नहीं था. So he understood the rag pickers around the town are helping us by sorting useful garbage. Then he understood कि जो हमारे टाउन में जो rag pickers हैं, those who pick up garbage, how they are helping our town to be neat and clean. And he understood that how not to waste such kind of this amount of paper in day-to-day usage. कि उससे कितना कुछ नया बनाया जा सकता है. He learned that by going in his village. कि हम कितना कुछ बना सकते हैं. लाइक श्याम मेड, जितने भी वेस्ट पेपर थे उससे बहुत कुछ बनाया, उसको रीयूज किया, रिसाइकल किया एंड देन मेड न्यू थिंग्स. इससे क्या हुआ, गार्बेज फेंकना नहीं पड़ा एंड पोल्यूशन भी नहीं फैल रहा सराउंडिंग में. सो दीज थिंग्स ही लर्न आफ्टर गोइंग टू हिज विलेज.